What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. How are y'all today? I'm reading heavy. I'm tired. It's I don't know, I can't read my watch. But it's late. I'm off to my day. It's a pretty chill day. I think it's a Sunday or something of the sort. But I'm tired. I'm waiting on a bus. Still waiting on a bus. I got bored waiting on a bus. So let's play a game. Have you guys ever heard of 1, 2, 3 red light? That's the game we're going to play. Think we have a little time? No, I don't. The bus is coming. See you guys. A terrible bus drive, but I'm here. I'm gonna get myself the paper. So I did something stupid, guys. The last clip I said I was going to get the paper, but I accidentally deleted that footage. So all of me getting the paper footage is deleted. That pisses me off. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I guess I'll have to make up for the rest of the day by getting some other footage. So don't delete your footage or you'll get But I'm tired. I'm gonna stop vlogging for now. I'll be back later with something else. What's up, guys? I'm still tired. Just taking it easy. Me edit it later. But yeah, my friends, they don't want to be in the video. So, you know what it is. It's a cool Sunday evening. Welcome to Animal Planet. We're here in the jungle. I just saw a cat, a huge cat, chasing his prey. Let's go and see what happens there. I did something new in the start of the video. Let me know if you guys let me know if you guys like it or not. I'm gonna try something else. You know, trying to get these videos under control. The day has ended, I think, maybe. I don't know yet. It's still a couple hours. We didn't get to play 1, 2, 3 red light this morning. I'll try to play it tomorrow, or for my next vlog I'll try to play that. My friends still eating, they don't want to be in the video. It's what it is. I don't want to be sued for any copyright infringements or anything like that. Yep. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. That's WannabeMatt. I'm on YouTube. Facebook. Yes, I did say YouTube. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Yeah. Bye. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. We're back at it again. Today is another beach day.